Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will explore cube root, which is denoted by this symbol here. It is a concise way for us to indicate cube root, and the number 3 here is to help us to distinguish between the square root and the cube root. Okay, so cube root simply means we multiply by the number, same number, 3 times. So as we do it here, 1 cube is 1 times 1 times 1, and when we cube root 1, it will give me back 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And when we cube root 8, we get back 2, which is one of them. Okay, we get back 2. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And if we cube root 27, we will get back 3. So as you can see the pattern, and so 4 cube is 4 times 4 times 4 3 times. That will give me 64. And if I cube root 64, it means that I'm cube rooting 4 cube. I will get back my 4. Same goes for 5 power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5. 125. If I cube root 125, it means that I'm trying to cube root 5 cube. That will give me 5. And perfect cubes are numbers whose cube roots are whole number. So the example is already on top. They are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, and so on and so forth. These are just the 5. First 5 perfect cube numbers. There are many more. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.